If you're shopping for a compact air purifier and trying to figure out whether a small unit can actually improve air quality, this video is for you. Today I'm reviewing the PuroAir 130i, rated for rooms up to 600 square feet. I'll walk through a real test data from my chamber, noise and power measurements, filter construction, app usability, and who this purifier actually makes sense for. Stick around to the end for the final verdict on this air purifier. Now, for a purifier in this size class, the PuroAir 130i performed better than expected. Using my test chamber, here's what I measured. For visible fog reduction, it cleared in about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. For particulate matter 2.5, under 1,000 micrograms per cubic meter, around 6 minutes. And then PM 2.5 to 0 or 1, it took about 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Now, that's strong performance for a unit rated at 600 square feet. Airflow stayed consistent across fan speeds, and performance didn't fall off as the filter loaded with resistance. This isn't meant to replace a whole house system, mind you, but for bedrooms, offices, or nurseries, it does exactly what it should. Now, noise matters most in small rooms, so this was measured very carefully. The ambient noise level without anything turned on is 42 decibels, at its lowest setting is around 44, and its highest around 55. So it kind of blended into the background noise. The high was audible, but it wasn't harsh, and it didn't have that irritating high frequency that many small air purifiers have. Now, as far as power, this is very efficient. It's one of its strengths. Its measured usage was 17.5 watts, and running 24/7, that's roughly about 12 to 13 kilowatt hours per month, which is about $2 using the national average for electricity rates. Now, in real use cases, you're going to be running this on lower speeds. So this is the kind of air purifier you can leave on all day without thinking about it. As far as the app, the PuroAir 130i does include a Wi-Fi and app control. You can adjust the fan speed, change modes, control it remotely. The app is simple, responsive, and reliable, but I wish there was more flexibility and features, such as the ability to schedule it to turn on and off. But it is what it is, and the physical controls itself as well is very straightforward and easy to use. Now, as far as the filter, inside the PuroAir 130, it is a true HEPA filter paired with activated carbon. And from my measurements of the activated carbon, it's about 24 grams of activated carbon. Now, this is appropriate size for this purifier, which helps with light odors, cooking smells, pets, and everyday VOCs. VOCs, volatile organic compounds, are gases released from everyday products and activities. They come from things like cleaning supplies, paints and solvents, furniture, building materials, cooking fumes, candles, pet odors, and human activity. And what makes VOCs tricky is that often can't see or smell them, but long-term exposure can contribute to headaches, irritation, and poor indoor air quality, especially in enclosed spaces. Now, air purifiers with activated carbon do help reduce VOCs, and it just helps circulate your air in your home. Now, this isn't really built for extreme smoke events or wildfires or things like that, but it will freshen your air, help with some allergens, and filter out some of the other VOCs that might be in your air. Now, as far as the fit, this purifier makes the most sense for bedrooms, home offices, nurseries, small apartments, or anyone who wants quiet, low power, everyday cleaning. And if you're trying to clean a large open floor plan or handle heavy wildfire smoke alone, you'll want a larger model. For its intended room size, this one is well matched. As far as my final verdict, the PuroAir 130i is a solid, efficient, small room air purifier. It cleans air quickly for its size, stays quiet at low speeds, uses very little power, and adds app control. It doesn't try to be everything, and that's exactly why it works. If you want the link to this purifier, it's in the description below. And if you think you need to upgrade to a larger size air purifier, check out this next video. I'll catch you on the next one.